Hold this
direct swap.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold this all night. What are you talking about?
This is why I do this, and they do the rest of the work.
It's coming out today.
On the housing.
Oh!
Wrong show. Get out of here.
Au revoir. I don't need to do this. I'm the Mitchellation. I'm out of here. Oh. See you guys later.
What was that? Spare some followers.
I heard Shmi and Alex Troy are outside. We got a sandwich. Security!
I really got all this shit for my own show? Is this gonna mess up my hair? What's up, dudes? Welcome back to the vlog. It's Mondi here.
You're too pretty for YouTube.
Oh, come on.
Get out of here. We'll call you.
What's up, fuckers?
Are your lips even real?
Yeah.
Send it.
Oh, you guys. Yeah,
It's our boy. It's our boy.
Guys.
Whoa, whoa. This guy?
What?
Seriously? Over me?
We've seen your
This is
stuff.
my
We've
show.
seen your stuff. Hand it over.
Do you even know how to
Hand it
vlog?
over.
How hard can it be, man?
It's
Mike.
Just give me
Mike.
this. Just give me this.
No, come on, guys. Bye. God, it's my car.
This is awesome.
All right, dudes. Every Saturday, 12 o'clock, there's gonna be an AJX vlog with Gutter Snake, Mitchellation, and Mikey over here. Make sure you guys tune in for that. The first series is gonna be this RWB build that we're doing. Ta-da! Probably 4 or 5 episodes with this. Putting a new engine in. What are we doing with this? Putting a new engine in it. Obviously, the body panels and all that. You're gonna make it look.
your engine.
You got.
We got the transplant.
Donor vehicle.
For real. Air cooled, air cooled.
Yeah. Hold this.
Direct swap.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold this all night. What are you talking about?
All right, dudes. I'm just gonna hand over the camera to these guys. They're taking care of it. So every Saturday, 12 o'clock noon, AJX vlog on the channel. And I guess I'll pass on the torch to you. They just made my life so much easier, they don't even know.
I think we need to do fender. We need to do bumper. Let's do the suspension. Obviously headlight and that kind of stuff like that.
Cheers!
Prop rod me one time, bro. Prop rod. Rod, you're gonna pull spindle ball joint caliper. We'll get fender off. Mitch and I'll start pulling the bumper off. Oh, hey. Got it. You're gonna have to cut all the silicone, dude.
Razor blade?
Yeah, you get the razor blade action. I'm kidding, we already took the bolt out. You can see it's already gone. It's fake for Hollywood. Don't believe everything you see. Hey, Rod. I'm trying to vlog here, bro. Keep it down. All right? I've got important things to talk about with people. I can't have you blowing it for me. As a matter of fact, I need you to get a hand tool and just do it quietly. No power tools while we're vlogging. I'm gonna go have a soda pop.
Yeah.
Oh, we do have a problem with the headlamp assembly bucket that's all jammed in here now.
Painful.
Hi, Edmond.
It's the best thing ever. I don't have to vlog anymore.
Almost done. This fender's getting heavy.
We solve problems.
It's coming out today.
Now we just gotta go for harness.
Where's harness?
We got a pair.
Stage 1 weight reduction. Did you see, bro, how it's a diamond shaped cooler now?
Doing a very good job. This is why they're doing it and I'm not. So Mark, this can't be fixed, right? Oh, this is heavy.
We had to take extreme actions. We had to employ the bear paw.
So can we talk about the horsepower for this car? I'm following his steps. So
It's not what you said the other day.
I know.
Yeah, we saw the vlog.
I know.
We saw you.
Hey, that's
Trying to
because
pull
Mark
one
and I
out.
had a different conversation yesterday. Mark still says this car is going to be faster than that twin turbo GT3 RS around Big Willow, and he set on that.
I'm not changing my story.
Hold on, does that
This
count?
car is going to go around Big Willow faster than you can get around it. I don't care what you bring. We're gonna just build you the car, and we're gonna put you in it, and we're gonna get your opinion, and then we'll tell you what the dyno. You don't get to see the dyno until you drive it.
I don't even know what to say to that.
Have I ever started off any projects with the idea that I was gonna let you down?
No, the Murcielago co-idea, right?
Yeah.
The FF.
FF was 99% you.
Yeah, but you put like a
can't-
couple final touches on it that I hadn't even thought of that like really made the
Yeah,
car
but
so much
you-
nicer.
you-
So this is your
Mitch is
baby.
already completely sprung on the Porsche. I don't know what
Here's
you
the best
did.
part. So while I was in Europe, Mitch was driving the Porsche.
Mitch, tattoo us right now. We need to see the tattoo.
This is like a week after he got this Performante tattoo on him. So now he's gonna get a Porsche one on the other side.
He's right-handed though, so he's leaving the other arm for his one true passion, which might be cookies. I don't know. It might be he might do a cookie jar on that side.
Yeah, there we go.
Porsche, Porsche, Porsche.
This is honestly too painful to watch.
Dude, this is the best part. Look at it. It's fixed. All we gotta do is just slam a fender on it. Mitch, what do you say? Should we just wrap it and we don't have to paint it? But yeah, you might need your mesh. Here, it goes right here.
Hold on, look closer.
Yeah.
You see this side?
Oh wow.
Every time they've done this,
You don't know better by now. It's totally your fault.
right.
No.
Yeah.
Can you tell?
yeah, I need some. What's going on here? Is that smashing? No.
No,
can't
it isn't,
tell.
but the
No.
corner's stuff.
But this whole thing right here has to come out. See where it started to separate?
Yeah, yeah.
So this has to get pulled
this
out.
dent right here is normal. It's supposed to be dented.
Yeah, it's gotta make room
It's
for
not
the
that.
wheel.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's in here in this pocket. That has
Is this
damage.
bone though?
Oh, it seam
No,
seal.
seam seal it to get it
Oh
out.
man, the worst part.
Your train horns are sackled, buddy.
Yeah.
There used to be a horn right here.
trumpets.
It's this is a horn delete. So
All right.
your trumpets have sung their last song.
What about this? Is this straight?
Now it's all gonna have to be straightened out.
So it is.
It's, yeah, it pulled away. It's pretty good. And then the other thing is this is where this little teardrop right here is where the headlight lock comes in. So we got to straighten it so that the headlight can be reattached.
Now that it's off, is it still a simple fix?
Absolutely. Well, it's nothing we didn't expect. So everything we've seen so far.
So no surprises with the panels coming off.
Not yet.
When I come back, next time I see this car,
The next time we see you, you're gonna be able to drive the car. It's not gonna be done, but you're gonna be able to drive it.
what wheels? The wheels aren't going to be done for about 8 weeks.
It's already making order. Oh,
When I get back, oh, hold on, but the wheels are not coming, and we got this.
You're gonna be able to drive it. I didn't say you're gonna qualify P1, but you're gonna be able to drive this car around.
All right, whatever. Man. See,
better be appreciated.
this is why I do this, and they do the rest of the work.
Your pillow. Here, take this home with you.
Okay.
Yeah. That'll be the closest you get to acid green this week.
All right, cool, awesome. See you guys. Good luck with the vlog, eh?
Bye, Edmond.
You're not coming.
Oh.
You staying with them now? Is that what it is?
my family
All
now, I'm
You're-
sorry.
Okay, fucking traitor. You know what? Keep this. Come at it.
you could have given him like a greasy ball joint instead.
Here.
No, I'm
He knows how he likes to. You know how he likes to get dirty.
I got white shoes, yeah. You know, I can never wear white. I got white shoes. Please leave me alone.
You notice how he backs down when he's in white? He's so much more aggressive when he's in dark colors.
Why isn't the car up on a lift? I feel like you guys just YouTubing this. I don't want like a Mickey Mouse YouTube job. Put it up on a lift, fix it real nice. I mean, you got it on jack stands right now and you're trying to fix the car.
Hey, there's a jack over there. Knock
Once
yourself
again,
out.
Like I said, I got my white shoes on. I can't. I'm out here. It's on you guys.
if we put it on the tube post, we won't be able to remove the oil lines from underneath the car.
Makes sense.
So
Okay. Now it makes sense.
it's totally not true. But
Yeah, I sense that. Is this still good?
wait. Yeah, it's good. The brunt of the hit, just there's so much leverage from the wide end wheel. You know, since the wheels moved out, it had so much leverage, it just literally shattered the knuckle.
Am I seeing this straight that the A arm is still good?
The control arm is good. The ball joint's shot,
Okay.
but it is serviceable. We don't see any stress or anything on it that's a problem. So put a ball joint in. If we get to the alignment rack and we see something with the angles that we don't like, then we'll change it. But as of right now, ball joint, a knuckle, whatever the hell this bracket did. What do you got?
Jesus Christ. What? Mitch, I'm wearing white. Okay?
That was the first mistake. Nah.
No? What happened?
My shirt's totally black.
Is it?
Yes. Did you not see it? You lied.
I did lie.
You lied
I
too.
lied. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That's
I just
so fucked up.
I wanted to hide the tension until you got home, and then you could have yelled at him.
How do you
look
give me
what
back?
you did. Look what you did.
got me.
Hey, why don't
I'm
you
still
give,
not even
Why
here.
don't you give him some laxatives in his coffee? That might work.
I might as well just go through with the rest of it. All right, I'm gonna go take a quick shower. Is that cool?
What the hell is this?
What's what? Just coffee.
The fuck it is?
My friend Mondi tried to poison me, but you know. There's two more clamps on this all out. And then the lines will just pull on the housing.
Alright?
That's a wrap!
How's that? You ever gonna mess up my white shirt again? Give him a ride. I don't know. I know where you live!
See, Mondi thinks he's clever here. I think he understands people that have his cars can play some jokes here. The question is, how hard we want this payback to be. It may not be this vlog, but it's coming. Comment below. We're gonna get devious.
Are we calling a truce? I said truce. You didn't want to call it truce.
Oh, this truce.
I got to shake my head. Truce, yes or no? 3? Yeah. Yes?
Truce.
All right. Don't drink it. No, it's 3 weeks old. Oh. They took it out of the fridge. I swear to God, no. Edmond. Oh, that was disgusting.
No, go for it.
No, that was really disgusting.
Cool.
Yeah, I wasn't kidding. It was sitting in the fridge for 3 weeks. All right, truce, once and for all, yes or no? You hit me in the nuts like 2 days ago, okay?
That was like a week ago.
Okay, it
So
still
a week
hurts.
ago.
It's been hurting till yesterday.
I got some tampons in the first aid kit. You can have it.
Listen, truce, for 1 week, we can't fuck around with each other anymore. 1 week. Yes?
1 week, that's like one episode, no problem.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna put this here. I trust you. You call it truce.
All right, no problem. All right, time to close out. Hey, quiet on the set. Have some respect for the freaking vlog. We're trying to work here, okay? Anyways, Mark, get no respect.
I think the more we ask for respect, the less we're gonna get it. So we might want to reconsider our strategy for the next vlog. But let's show
I think we got a
everybody
lot
what
of strategies to reconsider. One of them being with getting Edmond back.
we definitely have to reconsider who our friends truly are.
So we got the front end ripped apart, oil cooler out,
All of this
fender.
has been taken off. We're gonna provide you guys with a wonderful time lapse so you don't fall asleep watching this. We even went all the way over to the front of the vehicle here, as you'll be able to see. I know what you're thinking. Where's the bumper? That was us too. We took the bumper off.
Dude, we're
Yeah.
amazing.
I-
I just like, this
Natural-
thing's awesome.
Natural born, I'd say. This panel right here, it's plastic.
We even got like a cup holder for
Yeah.
screws.
Yeah,
Ziploc.
here's
Dude,
a
we crushed it.
here's a light. I mean, I don't see what the big deal is personally. Maybe we should have started this a long time ago.
Probably. I don't know.
What do you guys think?
Yeah? Yay, nay?
So until next time.